Skyline so sparkly, it looks like Broadway hit the big time? That's Nashville at night, glowing, strutting, and showing off like it's headed to a Grammy after party. And just when you think it can't get flashier, boom, there's Nissan Stadium glowing like it's saying, y'all better notice me. This video takes you on a little nighttime stroll. Okay, boat glide. Past Music City's finest views. You'll catch those steel towers shimmering. The stadium lit like it's hosting a light show. And reflections so pretty, they could star in a country love song. Lights, river vibes, and a sprinkle of southern swagger. So grab your boots or your flip-flops